Hey, I'm home. Long time no see. I know I haven't made a video in forever because I was on vacation with no internet and I was lazy too. Anyway, I am uploading my pocket adjustment video, which is the oldest that you have not seen. I did this at Jean's house and I've now worn these jeans for the entire vacation. But I wanted to just touch base and give you a heads up as to what this video is. I also apologize because some of my video is vertical instead of horizontal, which is annoying, but it is what it is. And I cannot go back and re-sew the pockets in because I've now worn them for a month. But that's what you're about to see. All right, last week I bought a new pair of jeans to take on my trip. Nice wide legs. I was quite happy with them until I put them on and I put my hands in my pocket and tried to put my cell phone in my pocket. See my hand? That is all the way in my pocket. I cannot even put my whole hand in my pocket. Definitely not a cell phone. I'll show you the back. This is how big the pocket is. And I don't know what I can show you for scale. It is smaller than my hand. So what I'm about to do is tear out the bottom of this pocket. And I've already torn out one pocket. I've torn open the bottom. I've disconnected a little bit from the very edge here. And I'm going to do the same on the other pocket. So right now I have a bottomless pocket. I could put whatever I want in and have it drop on the floor. But I'm going to rip this one out next. And then I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to find some muslin. And I'm going to add to this pocket. Oh, it's tempting to add a good 12 inches, but I'll probably just stick to cell phone height. And then anchor it into the side seam and fix this issue. Okay, I've prepared the pocket. I just copied the one that was already in place. This is going to be the bottom. This is an added on piece of material because the scrap I had laying around wasn't big enough. This will sew to the top, and then I'm going to anchor this side into the side seam. I've used red thread because I'm lazy, but also you can see it better. Thanks to the trusty Brother machine that I would recommend for new sewers. I don't think you can get this exact one, but look for the nearby one. 300, what did you say you think it is?
I think it's 280 now.
Well, 280 pounds? No, it will be, dollars?
The number. Instead of 130, I think it's 280.
Oh, it's a F280, and I recommend it. It's a workhorse. It works nice. It's not quiet, but it works. And it goes over heavier things. Plus, it's not super expensive, but it's not your cheap $120 Singer that's going to go bad quickly. But what was I using it for? I now have a pocket that will not hold a cell phone, that will hold not only my cell phone, but snacks. May I recommend custard creams, maybe? That's what I'm snacking on while I sew this afternoon. There we go. A double-sized pocket. Yay! Hey, I'm back. Now, if you want to see more videos like this and other unfinished objects, make sure and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell, or click on the bell so that you're notified when new videos go up, because goodness knows I haven't been regular lately. There is more unfinished to go and an update on the Olivar hat. I knit another one since I got home, so I'm going to update you on that in the next video. Also give you a view of my finished pockets and show you how big and how much space I have in them now. All right, here's my pockets wearing my jeans. I can put my hand all the way up to my wrist. Now that is a man-sized pocket, and I have two, and I am very happy. Okay, that's it for the pocket extravaganza. Make sure and fix your pockets too. If you get some of those wimpy, skimpy pockets, change them. You can with your sewing machine or by hand. See you next video. Bye.